from Sri Lanka. Then forms of power sharing and why power sharing is desirable. So our today's topic is that power sharing in Belgium. This chapter divided into three parts: power sharing in Belgium, power sharing in Sri Lanka, forms of power sharing, and why power sharing is desirable. So the first part, power sharing in Belgium. Belgium is a small country, smaller than Haryana, having the ethnic composition on the basis of the language. They have three groups: 59% Dutch speaking people, 40% French, 1% German. Now, the tension was that in Belgium, Dutch as the official language, French as the official language. Now, this was the issue of communal conflict on the basis of language. Dutch want their language should be as a national language. French want their language should be national language, and there was a civil war, tension between these two linguistic groups. This was the condition of the nation. But at the capital city Brussels, in the capital city Brussels, 80% French, rich, powerful merchant industrialists, they were in majority, and 20% Dutch, they were in minority. So the problem at the whole nation, Dutch were in majority, at the capital city Brussels, French were in majority. So that was the problem faced by French and Dutch people. Till here, if you understand, write down yes in chat box. Okay, now, so on the issue of language, there was a tension between Dutch speaking people and French speaking people, resulted at turbulent time from 1950 to 1960. After that, they reformed their constitution and adopted accommodation in Belgium. This model was the finest model. This model was the finest model in power sharing. Why? Because they give equal representation to all communities, equal members at the state level, central level and local level government, equally distributed the power among the leaders. Then the most important, community government. These three communities were there and they established one community government if they were facing the problem. For example, Dutch facing the problem, they can complain in their community. French in their community. German in their community. This community government is framed the work or the welfare work for their community and passed by the parliament. So this was one of the best community government that you have to discuss among yourself. We distributed, for example, if they were having 100 rupees, they distributed 59 rupees to Dutch, 40 rupees to French and 1 rupees to German. Now this is the community government outlook, how to spend this amount. So this was the best outcome of power sharing. Equal representation of all language group, equal power and community government. So this was the positive outcome of power sharing. As we are in the process of revision, so I am asking few questions. If you understand these things, Then I will start asking the question one by one. Write down your chat box if you understand these things. Last time division. Our topic is power sharing, positive outcome in Belgium. Belgium was a small country, smaller than Haryana, having ethnic composition on the basis of language, Dutch, French, German, 59% Dutch, 40% French, 1% German. Tension between these two groups from 1950 to 1960. The problem was that 80% people of capital city Brussels, rich, powerful merchant and traders, or all the members belonging to the political party lived in Brussels city belongs to French community. They want French as a official language. Now Dutch, they want Dutch as the official language because there was 59% pension and accommodation. Accommodation was that equal representation, equal ministers, equal powers, community government. So I hope you understand all these things. Thank you so much for attending the class. Keep revising. We will revise. Tomorrow we will revise Sri Lankan model and then after. Okay, good morning everyone. Class 10B. As yesterday we are discussing power sharing, and first we discuss Belgium positive outcome of power sharing. Today our topic is story of Sri Lanka. You all know about Sri Lanka. It is a neighboring country of India and having healthy relationship. Now, what was the reason that they were getting negative outcome of power sharing? In Sri Lanka, they used Sinhala. Sinhala was the official language of Sri Lankan people. Students, be on time. Sinhala, their population is divided into complex situation. Indian Tamils, Sri Lankan Tamils, Buddhist, and Sinhala speakers. 74% Sinhala speakers, 74% Sinhala speakers demand that there should be Sinhala as the official language. After their independence in 1956, they introduced that Sinhala was the official language of Sri Lanka. Now this created a problem. Non-Sinhala speakers and Sinhala speakers, there was the fight between these two groups. This was not the general fight, armed struggle, and these 18% people included Indian Tamils also. They demanded separate Ilam, means separate state, and their leader was Prabhakaran, and their group's name was LTTE, Litte, Liberation Tiger Force. So they start the armed struggle against these 74% Sinhala speakers, and it led for a longer time. And afterwards, they divided and subdivided the power among Sri Lankan people. This was majoritarianism. Majority people want Sinhala as the official language, so Sinhala became the official language. There was a positive outcome in Belgium. Community government was there. This was the negative outcome. of major tales. So these two stories, every coin have two faces, positive as well as negative. So this was the negative outcome when we are not listening minorities. They turned into armed struggle. I hope are you getting my points? If you are getting my point, write down yes in chat box. If you want to revise the points, write down particular point so I can revise. Why power sharing is desirable? So power sharing is desirable because it reduces the possibility of conflict between social groups. As you know that there was a fight between Belgium also and Sri Lanka, but at least they reached at the settlement, so power sharing is desirable. The second reason, in democratic rules, it enhances the quality of democracy, so power sharing is desirable. Power sharing is necessary. We are having two reasons, prudential and moral reason. The prudential reason stress the power sharing will bring out better outcomes, and the moral reason because that is the act of joint philosophy and possibilities of nations theory. So it is a moral duty to divide the power, otherwise it become dictatorship. Are you getting my point? Why power sharing is desirable? 2 points. It reduces the possibility of conflict between social group. Second, it involves the people's right, and two reasons, moral and prudential. Power sharing bring better outcome, and that is the act of value because every citizen have the equal rights. Is this point is clear why power sharing is desirable? Okay. Now, today you have to do one chart work. Arshit, be on time. Otherwise, I will mark absent. So, forms of power sharing, there are power sharing among the different organs of the government as executive, legislative and judiciary. Power sharing is based on levels, for example, central level, state level, local level. Power sharing among the different social groups, for example, community government. Power sharing among different political parties and pressure groups. For example, different political parties in India, more than 2-party, coalition government. So these all are the forms of power sharing. So today you have to draw a perfect chart of power sharing. You have to draw a perfect chart of power sharing and send this chart to me on my personal WhatsApp. Draw this chart as you are writing 5-mark answer. Just I'm going to show you in which way you have to write down the answer. Number one, on the basis of the organs, executive, legislative, judiciary. Number two, on the basis of the level, central level, state level, local level. This is the example of community government. Then political parties name one party system, two party system, and multi party system. Two party and multi party system is the example of power sharing here. And social groups, activists, Narmada Bachao Andolan, Tehreek Dam Andolan, different people, those who are having the social group. You have to draw this chart. Are you getting my point? If you are getting my point, write down yes.